Are you eating a cookie? No, 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 don't climb up on the table. No. Isaac, no. This is how we throw fits, Isaac style. Why don't you come and check out these snowmen? Check out Snoopy. He looks so lonely without you. Show me how you run this Snoopy. Isaac, come here. Show me how you do this. Yay! Can you dance? Dance! Dance! Good job. Don't touch that, please. You got cookie on your hands. Uh-oh. The music stopped. Come put the music back on, Isaac. Hey, buddy. Put the music back on. Are you trying to find a good one? Dance. Yeah. Aren't you glad you stopped throwing that fit now? Okay, Chica's more interesting.